So I'm with Jürgen at the Leipzig RC model show, and again, a fantastic model that he's just been showing me, and he was telling me all about it, but I didn't have the camera running, so I'm slowing him down, and he's going to show me this DC-3 that they made from scratch. I'm just amazed by these things. So, twin prop.
Yeah.
Runs off a little LiPo. Is it a single cell LiPo in this?
Yes, one LiPo, 200 milliamps, steering with aileron, elevator.
So as if it isn't crazy enough that it flies,
Yes.
and it has all the control surfaces. It's two little motors. It's actually got retracts as well. Differential thrust.
Retracts.
And did I see that it's got an air brake as well?
Yeah.
How fantastic is that?
And lights.
And lights, of course. Silly me,
Position,
of course it's got lights.
ACR, and landing.
I'm just knocked out by that. Okay, we've got to see it flying, Jürgen.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's aerobatic. Amazing.
Flat pull down.
Oh, so sorry, that's a flat, not air brake. What am I talking about?
Retracts down. And then landing.
Superb. Beautiful flying as ever. Jürgen, thanks very much, sir. Excellent.
Flat pull down.
Oh, so sorry, that's a...
Retracts down. And then